Well, hello and welcome back on the channel. As I said, I would come back one day. Well, today is a day in a long time, and I probably won't come back tomorrow. It'll take another week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, I don't know, 3 years. Yes, it depends. Well, today I decided to play some Wood. Will you press the button? It's an obvious choice. It's Hogwarts. It's Hogwarts. Uh, yeah, it's the when good guys can come out of Slytherin. Yeah, exactly. Douchebags. Yeah. Next, you will cause world hunger. No, wait, what? You will cause world peace. Forever cure all hunger and all disease and poverty, and forever be remembered for your deed. You will die. Well, he says he will die, but I would die anyway. I'm not immortal or something. Oh, wait, what? Sorry about that. Misclicked. Alright, so next question. You can play a video game for free. The one you like the most. Oh, I get it now. But if I like it so much, I would already have it. I mean, how would I know it? How would I? I mean, why would I like it so much? I must have played it. I mean, come on. My second favorite is just must be great. Alright, I'll press it. Bill Gates dies and your inherit his body. You lose both your hands. No replacement. Oh my god, you not be able to do anything without your hands. Well, god damn it, I won't press it. you become God. You have a legion of faithful always praying to you and asking for shit you can't even block it out. Well, I can kill them. Then yeah, I can definitely get rid of them. Not worry. Well, I technically would be a bad guy if I killed him. Block it out, huh? Man, I mean, yeah, God, I can do anything. So, it's not just about blocking it out. I mean, I could do something like change the mindset or something. Yeah, press it. Whoa. Let's get going. So everyone you meet will love you in whatever way you want them to. Everyone you don't meet will hate you and actively try to kill you whenever possible. Wait a second. If they want to kill you, they'll have to meet you, right? And then they'll love me. Technically, yeah, right. Loophole. Whoa, 50-50. I just read one of the comments and I forgot to show you guys. He becomes a perfect human. The perfect human, huh? You had to kill a million other people trying to be perfect as well. It's a competition, I guess. Well, I won't. You can have sex with any person you want. You have to do it in the missionary position for the sole purpose of procreation. I mean, like to have children. Fuck that shit, boy. Fuck that shit. You would be wanted by everyone. You would only be able to whisper. Just really come on, I can't do this. Take a look at this. Wait, what? Sorry about that. Whisper very loudly. Oh, god damn it. Whoa. Let me get this thing back in it. It's good enough, right? Let me just get it back a little bit upwards. There we go. See everything now, guys? Ah. Yeah, press it. I'll press it. Man. You'll find true love. You partner of. Wait, what? I don't care about love. I don't give a fuck. It's not that. You can foresee the future. You cannot prevent anything that will occur. Why prevent when you can just avoid? You would see into the future. Avoid. Simple. Question. Next question, I mean. You will find $1,000 every day as long as you live. You must eat poop from from another person or animal in order for you to find the money. You would die. I mean, come on, it's shite. You can heal any disease or injury and save someone's life. A random person somewhere in the world dies when you do. Huh. So you save one person, next person dies, another person dies. So technically you're killing one person while saving another one. Keeps a balance, huh? Well, if you're killing someone, I mean, even if you're saving someone, you would be killing someone. I won't press it. Next question. You will find out you have the power of a Jedi. Fuck off. The internet is forever spared and censorship or restrictive acts such as SO. PA. Japan is destroyed. Oh man, anime. Fuck no. Human habitats all die and will never be rebuilt. Well, I can kill. I can do this. I cannot do this. You beloved civilization concept that promised everything good for all time. All time? All time? Capitalism, communism, theocracy, etc. is introduced. It fails, and you see that humanity can't live in peace, never regardless of the system. Would you delete human existence from the timeline? So it's just sliding into non-existence. Hell no. Get tons of candy you love. You cannot ever read a book again. I mean, oh, they eat candy, a lot of candy. I don't need any more. Sorry about that. Regretful decision. Infinite bacon. Valve doesn't exist. If you don't know what Valve is, it's Steam. All games, all sales. Bye bye. I will not press it. Oh man. Next question. So you have the opportunity to attend a prestigious school of your choice for whatever reason. Friends, wishes, reputation, work. You may only use postcards and letters as a form of outside communication. Huh. Outside communication. Hell yeah. A universal language replaces all language of the world. This language is English. Well, sure I wouldn't be able to speak my native language, but it's English, damn it. For hell's sake. Also anime would be dubbed. All anime would be dubbed. Can back in time in a DeLorean? What does that mean? Can back in time? Man. You can't get anyone important. Example, Hitler. Oh man. Or save someone's life or his relationship or travel into the future. So basically I would be living the past. Fuck that shit, boy. Oh my god. Next question. Last question. I'm living this here. After this one, you get paid 100,000 euros. No, pounds. Pounds, right? Euros or pounds, whatever. Oh yeah, you can't use the internet ever again. Oh, I live on the freaking internet. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm leaving it here for today and I hope I will come back in a few weeks. Or even less. So yes, this is it. Subscribe, like and comment. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.